Alright, so when it's about muscle recovery, looking fitter and looking better, your food plays a huge role. Today we're going to be using broccoli as one of the major ingredients, and that's to be known as decreasing the estrogen levels, at the same time boost our testosterone, which is exactly that you need when you look forward for the muscle recovery. Let's go.
So that's an amazing knowledge before eating something really delicious. So for all you vegetarian people there out, we're going to be making a cheese and broccoli soup for you. Let me get it also started that this is highly a keto based soup. So somebody who's not following a ketogenic diet, again, let me remind, you would use a substitute of almond milk instead of fresh cream.
Yeah. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button that you get to know whenever we have a new video coming up for you guys.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So first we need a pan. In that I'm going to add, that's 1 tablespoon butter. To that I'm going to be adding garlic cloves. I'm going to wait until they are well done and they become slightly golden. Once you get the aroma that they are well done and the garlic is turning slightly golden, I'm going to add 1 cup of vegetable stock. So that's a spinach stock. I had made spinach yesterday, so I have that. You could also use leftover of any vegetable stock. For non-vegetarian people, you could opt for a chicken broth. To that I would add half cup of fresh cream and 1 big cup of broccoli. Some pink salt and some crushed black pepper. You're going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. That means you're going to let it boil for about 10 minutes. To that I'm going to add half cup of cheddar cheese. And now let it boil for about 10 minutes. Alright, now our soup looks well done. The broccoli also is well done. We're going to quickly pour into a soup bowl. There we go. So our broccoli cheese soup is ready and it's one of my favorite. It's a great and ideal option for lunch and dinner. You could also use it as a meal, whole meal. So you could take the soup and you could, if you're a vegetarian, you can opt for about 50 to 100 grams of paneer, depending on what calorie diet you are. And if you're a non-vegetarian, you can opt for scrambled eggs or probably whole boiled eggs.
Yeah, I think that sum up a good meal, because it gets you fiber, it gets you a good amount of fat, and of course
it gives you the complete amino acid profile, I would believe. So please stay tuned to our channel, keep watching for more videos.
And we'll see you soon, next video.
Thank you.